A lot of you asked for this tutorial, so here it is. This one has a body, eyes, arms, legs, and a hat. This tutorial is about 7 minutes. Let's get started. Grab your main color. Start with a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your middle finger twice, pull up a loop, and chain 1. Make 1 single crochet, then add a stitch marker. Make 5 more single crochets into the ring. You have 6 total. Pull tight. Take the marker out for a second, then slip stitch into that marked stitch to join. Round 2 texture method. Press the working yarn down with your thumb. Go into the stitch from the front, in front of that yarn strand. Now increase 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Do that in every stitch around. That's 12 stitches. Slip stitch to join, then chain 1. Round 3, 1 single crochet. Move your stitch marker here. Next stitch, increase. Repeat 1 single crochet, 1 increase around. You'll have 18 stitches. Slip stitch to join at the marker. Round 4, single crochet, increase, single crochet. Repeat around. Now you have 24. Round 5, 3 single crochets, then increase. Repeat around. Now you have 30. Rounds 6 to 9, just single crochet around. 30 stitches each round. Can't see the rows? Count from the inside. Round 10, chain 1. 3 single crochets, then decrease. Repeat around. Round 11, chain 1. Single crochet, decrease, single crochet. Repeat around. Round 12, chain 1. Single crochet, decrease, repeat around. Round 13, 6 decreases to close. Chain 1, cut the yarn, fasten off, body done. Now, the hat. Magic ring, chain 1, 6 single crochets. Pull tight, slip stitch to join, chain 1. Round 2, increase in every stitch. Slip stitch to join, chain 1. Round 3, single crochet 12. Round 4, chain 1 single crochet, then increase. Repeat around. Slip stitch to join, cut yarn, pull the tail to the back, knot it, hat done. For the hanger, chain 15, attach and secure. Now arms and legs make for magic ring, 6 single crochets. Pull tight, slip stitch to join, chain 1. Round 2, increase in every stitch to 12. Round 3, single crochet 12. Round 4, chain 1 single crochet, then decrease. Repeat around. Slip stitch to join, cut yarn. Add a little stuffing. Go through the front loops only, pick up yarn every other stitch so you can pull it tight when you assemble. Make 4 total. Make 4 straps, chain 15 each. Attach to each ball, pull tight. Optional tiny glue dot to lock it. Now the eyes make 2. Magic ring, 5 single crochets. Pull tight, slip stitch to join, chain 1. Round 2, increase in every stitch. Round 3, chain 1 single crochet, then increase. Repeat around. Slip stitch to join, cut yarn, pull tails to the back, knot. If anything feels confusing, comment below. I'll crochet along with you. Attach everything, and your mini monster charm is done.